Welcome to Kamara Craft DIY. In today's video, we explore beautiful DIY vase creations that can become a true source of inspiration for creativity and home decoration. Vases are not just decorative objects. They can inspire imagination and open the door to many creative ideas. From a simple vase, you can imagine different shapes, textures, and styles that help transform your space and add a personal touch to your decor. Creating DIY vases is also a great way to explore different materials. Cardboard can be transformed into elegant and modern pieces. Plaster allows you to create refined, sculptural forms. Ceramic brings an artistic and timeless finish. Even simple or recycled materials can become beautiful decorative objects when shaped with creativity. Each creation is an opportunity to experiment, innovate, and discover new ideas. Vases can inspire minimalist decor, modern styles, luxury pieces, or unique artistic designs. They become a starting point for building your own decorative universe. Whether you are a beginner or someone who already enjoys crafting, these ideas can help you develop your creativity and transform simple materials into elegant decorative pieces. So if you love creative ideas, DIY projects, and home decor inspiration, subscribe to Kamara Craft DIY for more inspiring creations and creative decoration ideas.